Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal 2 online, updated. Start by installing Portal 2 and signing into Steam on both accounts, then enable Online Coop and invite a friend. If NAT or firewall blocks connections, switch to a common public network or adjust router port forwarding. Verify both players have matching updates and DLC if needed. I will guide you through lobby setup, troubleshooting, and smooth cooperative puzzles in simple steps. First, verify game files through Steam for both players and enable the Steam overlay for easy invites and chat. Create a cooperative lobby in Portal 2 and set privacy to friends only or public depending on who you want to join. Have the host send an invite while the other accepts via the Steam overlay or friends list. If the invite fails, try reconnecting to Steam or restarting the game before moving to port troubleshooting. When you hit connection issues, start with simple restarts of Steam and the game, then test inviting again. If problems persist, check your NAT type and consider opening ports 27015 to 27050 on your router for smoother matchmaking. Temporarily disable third-party firewalls or add Steam to allowed apps to determine if security software is blocking connections. Finally, try a different network or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.